Hey, what's going on? This is Brad Gordon with Dalton Wade Real Estate Group. Hey, it's my daily video here. Anyways, I got a message today from DR Horton. They're going to be having a realtor open house next week at their new community, Woodcreek, here in Wesley Chapel, just off State Road 56. I think I'm going to attend. So I was just going to show you a little bit about it. It's actually like 1 week from today, so maybe a little early, but we're going to make this little video tonight, and then we'll revisit it next week and see the place in person. All right, well, take a look at this. So this is the Woodcreek website from DR Horton. You can see that up there. They've got it listed as from 474,990. You can see some pictures of what it will look like in the future. There's a nice swimming pool and all that. So yeah, so it's great. It's located in off State Road 56, just east of Meadow Point. And the available homes they have there, we'll see those later on my website. If I can scroll down now to the floor plans, we've got the Camden, we've got the Coral, the Destin, the Hawthorne, the Hemingway, the Holden, Jordan 2, Lantana, Torino, and that's what they've got. And I believe I have videos of a few of those floor plans, so I'll post links to those below. So let's go to my website now. And here we are. On the map here, the blue dots are the single-family homes. The orange dots are the villas. There's two separate sections. We've got single-family homes and villas here located on State Road 56 and Meadow Point, as I said. And as an aside, schools are Double Branch, John Long Middle, and Wiregrass Ranch High School. So let's look at what we have available. We've got that house, $499, $469, $464, and you can note they've all had price drops recently. So, you know, $354, $354. So hey, prices are dropping. It looks like not dropping, but they're lowering. So might be a good time to come on down and check them out. As I said, I'm going to go check it out next week, and maybe you might be interested in coming to see them as well. So, hey, let's do it. Give me a call.